Hey Osiel, here is a video to show you how to log into Imagine Learning. So the first thing you're going to do is go to the David Douglas website, which is ddouglas.k12.or.us. Then you're going to go to Students, and you're going to go down to Student Google Login, and you're going to press it. Then you're going to put in your username and your password. Your username is 760351. And your password is your birthday, 1029-2013. And you're going to press Login. Once you've pressed Login, this is called your dashboard. So your dashboard will come up, and then you'll press on Imagine Learning. And it says, is your name Osiel? And you'll press yes. And this part sometimes takes a while.
Want to know how I make learning fun? Don't just count to 100. Give it a beat and add some rhyme, and we're going to have a counting good time. Click play to listen to the chant.
And then you're doing Imagine Learning. When you're done, you're going to press pause like I just did and press log out. And it will log you out, and then you just press that and you can log out of here. So that is how you log into Imagine Learning. I want to see you logging in and doing it every day. All right, see you soon.